In the budget range, several coolers compete closely, and each one brings something different to the table. ID Cooling's FROZN A620 Pro SE is the one that surprises people the most. You get a dual-tower layout, 6 heat pipes, and low noise levels even when the fans speed up. It handles the 7800X3D's gaming workload easily and stays stable in longer multi-threaded runs. It's a good pick if you want quiet performance without spending much. Thermalright's Peerless Assassin 120 SE has been the longtime favorite of this tier, and it still performs well. It's a proven design with dual fans and solid heat pipe contact. You get predictable cooling, easy mounting, and acoustics that stay controlled with a reasonable fan curve. Many people trust it because it just works. But there's also the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 SE, and this is where the budget tier really shifts. It looks a lot like the Peerless Assassin at first glance, but it steps things up by adding a 7th heat pipe. That matters for the 7800X3D because the V-cache area is small and heat builds up quickly in that spot. The more heat pipes available to pull the heat away, the smoother your boost behavior stays. When you compare all three at noise-matched fan speeds, the FROZN A620 Pro SE does well with acoustics, the Peerless Assassin stays reliable and predictable, but the Phantom Spirit 120 SE consistently edges ahead in thermal performance while still keeping noise reasonable. This is especially noticeable in longer workloads or in warmer rooms where the 7800X3D tends to creep upward without enough thermal headroom. So the cooler that makes the most sense in the budget tier is the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 SE. Choose this when you want strong cooling at the lowest cost without giving up consistency. The 7 heat pipes help move heat off the CPU faster, and for the 7800X3D's dense chipset design, that extra transfer rate matters more than a bigger heatsink would. The fans aren't the quietest at full speed, but once you set a sensible curve, the noise stays controlled and the temps stay steady. You also get wide case compatibility thanks to its manageable height. If you prefer quieter stock fan behavior, the FROZN A620 Pro SE is a great alternate. If your local pricing shifts, the Peerless Assassin 120 SE still lands in the same overall performance band and remains a safe fallback. And if you're building in a compact mid-tower with tighter RAM spacing, the FROZN A620 Pro SE tends to fit a bit more cleanly.